Hello and welcome to the Monetizer tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the CMP in general and how to implement it automatically on your website with the Monetizer WordPress plugin and manually. Let's start with a brief explanation of what the CMP is. A content management platform is a company or organization that centralizes and manages transparency of the content and the objection of content of users of a website. It is an essential tool that allows publishers and brands to communicate their privacy practices more openly. At the same time, consumers gain more control over their privacy preferences. The content management process allows websites to meet the EU regulatory requirements regarding content collection. With a content management platform, websites have the technical capability to inform visitors about the types of data they'll collect and ask for their consent for specific data processing purposes. Within the Transparency and Consent Framework, TCF, the role of the CMP is to read and update the legal purposes of a vendor. Vendor, in other words, is a company that participates in the delivery of digital advertising. Vendors declare a purpose or reason for accessing a user's device or browser, or a reason for processing their personal data in the global vendor list. Please note that the monetizer ads require visitor consent. It means that ads will not be displayed if there is no CMP TCF 2.0 on your website. The monetizer has developed a partnership with the company Quantcast and offers a free consent banner that is continuously updated according to the latest GDPR regulation to help publishers in their compliance. This banner is free for our publishers and already has the basic settings needed to display ads. However, you cannot customize it by yourself. Please contact our support team for more information about the customization options. The implementation process of the CMP is simple. You just need to go to your money box, to the consent banner section, choose your website, and then click on the copy button to copy the CMP script and then insert it in the head area of your website. You will make your CMP visible to all website visitors. Please note that the Add Units tags need to be placed below the CMP tag. Let's have a look at the website with the integrated CMP. Here, the CMP is implemented in Head section, line 173, and the monetizer Add Units tags are placed below in the line 342. If you want to implement the CMP script manually, please copy the script in your money box by clicking on this tab and then go to your WordPress account, to the Appearance section, then to the Theme File Editor tab, and after that, you can easily integrate the CMP script in the header PHP file in theme header. For example, here. You just paste the CMP script. Then you click on Update File. Don't worry if it takes some time before the update process will be completed. And after the update, you can empty your cache. If you're using the Monetizer WordPress plugin, we offer an automatic integration which simplifies the implementation process. Please download the plugin by using your personal ID from the money box. Then navigate to the plugin settings, go to the last section, and enable the automatic placement of the CMP on your site case. After that, you can verify your consent banner implementation by clicking on this red button. If you already have your own CMP, remember to double check if it is part of the official list accepted by the TCF 2.0 by navigating to the IAB Europe official website. You can check it here, search, test, and here you will see the results. After that, you need to add the monetizer vendors into your CMP. You will find the list of the monetizer vendors in your money box by navigating to the consent banner section and enabling the case I already have a CMP. Then you need to click on the copy button to copy the vendors list. If your CMP doesn't have all the monetizer vendors, it will have a negative impact on the ad revenue of your website. The integration process of the vendors list depends on the specifications of your own CMP. If you have troubles with the implementation of the monetizer vendors list, you can always use our free CMP provided by Quantcast that is easier to implement on your website. If you need any assistance with the CMP implementation or have further questions, our support team is here to help. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next tutorials.